Hey friends, if you encounter the error your DNS server might be unavailable in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to flush the DNS cache. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Type the command ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS and hit enter. It says successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. And does it fix the problem? Well, we'll see. The next solution is to use Google's public DNS, and this should in 99% cases fix your problem. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection, select properties, double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Check the radio button that use the following DNS server addresses. Type the server address 8.8.8.8 and the alternative one was 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and then click on OK once again. The next solution is to disable VPN and any third-party antivirus. Basically, VPNs are also third-party software products, so you need to disable them accordingly. There must be a switch on the antivirus or VPN software. The next solution is to disable proxy. And how would you disable proxy? Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Now go to the connections tab and then you can click on LAN settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server for LAN is unchecked. The next solution will be to simply reset the router, and lastly you can reset the entire network, not just TCP IP. I'll say reset the entire network. Right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings. Then click on network reset and then select reset now and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.